3 Fatal Affiliate Marketing Mistakes. Affiliate marketing gives you the opportunity to make money online automatically, once you have set up your website successfully. It is considered to be a very simple and a very easy way to earn a good income with affiliate marketing. But it is not as easy as it is thought. Not all persons entering in this field become successful affiliate marketers. Those who are lucky enough to get real success in this business are few. Here we will discuss the 3 major mistakes of affiliate marketers that usually make their business collapse. This will help you in earning a steady income. If you will avoid these mistakes, then you can sit back and enjoy your steady and monthly, free income. In affiliate marketing, you get your commissions for promoting products and services of a merchant. It is the merchant who is bound to pay you the sales commission. The duty of the affiliate marketer is to promote the products of the merchant. The merchant is the investor who pays commissions to the affiliate marketers when any of his products are sold. Now take a look at the 3 fatal mistakes of affiliate marketers. 1. Don't send your prospects directly to an affiliate website. Don't send your prospect directly to the website without offering any free benefit to the visitor, because there is a possibility that the consumer will not like the product and close the website without even buying a single product. Now you have lost this consumer forever, because it is obvious that the next time he will choose to visit another site. If you want your visitors to visit the website again and again, offer them some kind of free benefit like free gifts, software or ebooks. You can send them a free newsletter or weekly horoscope at their email address. If you are successful in grabbing their email address, then you can send them advertisements on their email address on a regular basis too. 2. Don't create a website full of affiliate links, flashy banners and ads. If your website is full of affiliate links, lots of flashy banners, and other advertisements, then your visitor may become confused and he may simply leave your website. People like to see the clear and easy to understand websites. Just put an honest product review to get the visitor's attention. Try to put text ads instead of flashy and graphical ads. Researchers have proved that text links are more successful than flashy banners. People like to see what they want and not the fancy graphics. Also, the load time of simple websites is much faster in comparison to full graphics, loaded websites. People like to visit the sites that opens in seconds. So be simple and be focused. 3. Commission theft. Commission theft is one of the biggest drawbacks in this field. Although it is not possible to eliminate it completely, you can use some tricks to minimize it. Cloaking and redirecting of affiliate links are the options for you in this situation. Usually the affiliate links contain the affiliate ID of affiliates at the end of merchant website's URL. This is not a good style. Any person can easily drop your _ID part from the above link and can visit the merchant website to make sales. In this case, the sales are made but you are not credited. The solution of this problem is cloaking. Conclusion. In conclusion, an affiliate marketer should try to avoid the common fatal mistakes to become successful in this field. Always try to collect the email addresses of your website visitors by offering them some free gifts like newsletters, etc. Then use their email addresses to start your advertisement campaigns. Try to design your website really simple and easy to understand for the visitors. People don't like the fancy graphics when they are searching for something to buy. And don't forget to cloak your affiliate links to get the maximum benefit. By avoiding these main mistakes, you can start earning sooner.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.